Alright, so in my last YouTube video, I just did an in-depth analysis on why I think the market is setting up for a massive dump, even though things do look bullish. Like, look at price, it's up 3.7% right now. Everyone thinks we're about to take off to 52K. I think this is the perfect setup to just completely fall apart and break through support finally here. Okay, so this is a chart I've already drawn up right now. Okay, let me make a fresh chart and let me walk you through the process on how I'm actually identifying this on top of the analysis I've already posted earlier for completely free for everybody. So let's get into it. Okay, I want to first take this Fibonacci measurement right here. Okay, and you're going to notice the next, we already rejected right here at this fib level. So the next fib level I'm looking for is if we can pump right up to here, 40,100. Okay, that's the next level I'm looking for. Why? Look, it would be lower high, and it would be a perfect lower high right here. So I know that, hey, as long as we're making lower highs, okay, then I know my risk is, hey, if we're making lower highs, we shouldn't get above this high right here. Okay, so that means I have very limited risk, right? I can set my stop loss, for example, right above here, right above that high. And, I'm a little sad right now. Okay, I'm a little sad right now because it looks like we're not going to get up to my target, which means I could miss out on the entire dump. Okay, Bitcoin could totally dump without me, and then I'm going to be crying, thinking, oh. But, this is where big money is made, is by being patient and waiting for the perfect setup to trigger. And so, as much as I think it looks like it's gonna dump off, and I want to short so badly right now, I'm not going to, because I'm gonna wait for the trade to be absolutely perfect. And if I miss out, I miss out. But if it comes up to here, it's gonna be the most perfect trade setup in the world. Okay, and that's what I'm waiting for. So it would be lower high, lower high, lower high, fib level resistance right there. And obviously, if you watch my last analysis video, I explained to you why I think we're gonna dump back down. Okay. So this is the next level I'm looking out for. I can short big. Okay, I can put $50,000 on, for example, 40x leverage. Okay, now do you know $50,000 on 40x leverage is a $2 million position, right? So I can use $2 million and short up here. Okay, where if I'm wrong, guys, if I'm wrong, I'm only gonna lose probably like, I don't know, $5,000 or $10,000. Okay, so if I'm wrong, I'm going to lose $5,000 to $10,000. Now imagine I try to short now and price got up there, dude. I'm going to lose everything. I'll lose all the money I put in that trade. You see, this is why you have to wait for the perfect points where you can limit your risk to $5,000 to $10,000 loss to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, that's a fair trade, right? People forget what trading is about. It's literally a trade, right? That's a fair trade. I'm saying, hey, I'll trade you my position. If I'm wrong, you can take me out and I'll lose $5,000 to $10,000. But if I'm right, I want $100,000 plus dollars, right? That's a trade. That's what trading is about, is exchanging and coming to fair agreement. And right now, if I enter and price comes up there, I'm not okay with losing money, that much money, okay? So that's why I have to wait for the perfect point, and that's why I want to snipe Bitcoin right here at this fib level on a lower high right here. And I do think we are going to collapse if we can do that through support right here. I think we will get it, guys. This will be the short, I think, potentially, that could take us down to 30K, 32K. Okay? So it's incredible because think, what am I risking, guys? All right, I can put on massive position, like $2 million, $3 million position, because what am I risking, guys? Right, if I short here, 40,100, for example, at this fib level lower high, in my overall stance on the market is bearish. Guys, I can risk 200 points. I can risk 0.4%. Okay, on 40x leverage, I'll be risking 16% of whatever I put into the trade. Okay, to gain. Okay, so for example, you understand if I put $50,000 on 40x leverage. Okay, well, what's a 16% loss on $50,000, guys? That's around what, $6,000 to $8,000, I think. So I could lose $6,000 to $8,000, but wow, here is where the juice comes in, right? Here's where the juice comes in. Let's say we drop down to 32,000. 20% times 40%, 40x leverage. It's an 800% return. I could turn $50,000 into $400,000. Okay, So if you do this repeatedly, if you wait for the perfect setup, you can literally get into trades where you're risking $5,000 to $6,000 to make $400,000. And when you do that, if you can wait, if you even do that 3 times a year, you make a lot of money. Okay, the thing is, most people, they trade 500 times a day and they wonder why they don't make money. It's because you have to wait for the most perfect setups to trigger. And when the most perfect conditions are met, that's when you go big while limiting your risk and you make a real legitimate trade. You're trading a $5,000 loss so that you can make $400,000. If you do that 3 times, if you do that even 100 times, you could lose 99 times, and on that 100th time, it's going to make up for all those losses and more. This is what the greatest trades of all time are made of. It's about being patient and waiting for the perfect conditions to be met. Guys, if we can get up there, we could potentially execute a masterpiece. Okay? And we're going to change what it means to be a trader. A day trader, right? A lot of people think day trading, you got to get in and out 10 times a day, take 10 trades a day. No, less is more. Okay? And this is one of those times where we can turn $50,000 into $400,000. We could turn $30,000 into $200,000. And I'm going to show you how it's done in this video. Let's get ready and let's prepare. Let's wait and let's hope price can get up here to our targets. And we're going to start shorting it up here, guys. Let's rock and roll. All right, so guys, I actually just bought the dip with our members live in the Telegram. Holy shit, we just nailed this dip buy. Oh my God, this was insane. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to ride the dip buy up to 40,100. Okay, that's the plan. We're currently up $8,000 on this dip buy. You can see I entered right here, and I told everyone, set your stop loss right here at 38,586. Okay, literally. I said the stop loss first. Stop loss, BTC, buy the dip in all caps. 90 points of risk, right? So at 670, we entered right here. Okay, 1,200 points to gain, risking 900. Extremely small loss potential, great gain potential. Boom. Okay, so I drew this picture up. We want to actually pump up to 40,100, and then at 40,100, we want to short it. And we fucking nailed it. Now, we're going to be going into one of the greatest short trades in the history of trading, guys. We are long. We just bought the dip, and we're going to ride this dip buy up to here, and then we're going to short it. We're going to short this shit out of Bitcoin right here at 40,100. Please be ready. Please be ready. Let's cancel these orders, actually, because now, well, we have a long position, so we need to close out the long position first. Then we want to enter short, guys. Get ready. Like, you've never seen this before. You've never seen someone buy the dip and then short it exactly right here, and then we're going to ride it down to 30K. All right, 30K, 32K. All right, we're going to ride it down there. Like, if I nailed this, guys, this is the most godly day of trading in the history of trading. You've never seen anything like it, okay? So, we're waiting for the pump up to here. Let's rock and roll. Holy shit, we just fucking nailed it in crash alerts. Guys, if you're not in here, what the fuck are you doing? Click the first link down below this video and join right now. We're about to set up the greatest trade in the history of trading, and you're just going to watch on the sideline because you didn't join, guys. We are about to fucking eat. Let's go. Guys, we're riding the pump up. We're up $12,000 right now. We're going to go ahead and start taking some off the table right now, okay? Why? Because we're about to get ready to short. Okay, we're about to put together one of the craziest shorts you've ever seen. Okay, so we need to start like taking it off the table so we can start shorting, okay? So, let's see, I need to send out, change the entries, BTC short. Let's do this 39,940, 40,000, 40,000, 40,138. Entry 4 at 40,000, 40,200. Stop loss 40,340. All right, let's send this out. Okay. Oh my God, let's go. Oh my God, we're pumping, guys. We're pumping. Look at this. We're making all this money on the long side. We're pumping, and we're actually about to close out our long, and we're gonna go short right up here at 40,100-ish, guys. We bought the dip, it pumps. And now it's pumping, it's pumping. It's about to get up here, and we're going to short it. It's going to be the fucking craziest shit you've ever seen in your life. You've never seen anybody pull shit off like this before. Guys, we're the fucking best. All right, guys, so plan is we're going to set the stop loss at 40,340. Once we short, we're going to be looking to short right here. A stop loss is going to be up here, guys. Okay, it's going to be an extremely low-risk trade. Extremely low-risk trade with the potential, to drop us down to the low 30s if I'm right. This will be one of the craziest shit, fucking craziest things you've ever seen if I can pull this off. I am the greatest. I am the best. Alright, guys, we're waiting for this pump up. Fucking internet, don't do that shit to me. Let's rock and roll. Let's fucking go. Okay, I've got 15K loaded up on this trading account to also short. Okay, so we've got 2 trading accounts to do this on. We're just waiting for this shit to pump up a little more so we can exit and short right here. Let's go. Alright, so guys, preparation here. I've been telling everyone we need to close out the long before we can short, obviously, right? Okay, so the plan is we're going to get out of the short, the long, okay? And here's our entries for the short. 39,940, 40,000, 40,138, 40,200, and there's our stop loss, okay? So I'm telling everyone, imagine we get stopped out on our short. That would suck, because that means this long is even better than we thought, and that means our long is going to make more money, but guess what? That means we close out our long. I told everyone, look, it doesn't matter, okay? We have to go into this with no regrets. This is our plan, and we're going for our plan, okay? So short is objectively as good as it could possibly get, where you can turn $10,000 into $80,000, $30,000 into $240,000 with extremely small risk. Okay, so I said if you want to keep the long, you could do that and then short in a different account. But I'm going to close out my long and I'm going to go short with no regrets on what could be the greatest short in the history of trading. Okay, we're almost there. We are almost there, and I am so excited. All right, so guys, look, we're getting up here. We're about to take profit. I've got my limit order set to take profit. We're going to have 1 contract left. So you guys are going to see we're going to lock in around $13,000 to $14,000 in profit here once the stop loss can get filled. Okay, now we need to actually go ahead and set some limit orders on this trading account right here. 40,140 is where I want to set a limit order to short 50% of that 15,000 we have over here. I also want at 40,000 exactly. Something's wrong with my internet, man. This is really frustrating, I think. Here we go. This is about to get filled. Okay, oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I can't believe this is happening how I want it to happen. Like the plan, it's all here. Oh my god, this is incredible. We could literally be entering the greatest short in the history of trading, guys. This is absolutely incredible. This is incredible. This is incredible. Let's just go. Get the shit filled. Let's go. We're about to short. We're about to short. We're about to short. We're about to short. Fucking close, man. What's wrong with the internet connection right now? It's horrible. What the fuck? Get the fuck out of my face, you stupid piece of shit Wi-Fi. Fuck you. Like, what is this Wi-Fi doing? It can't even fucking load, man. Dude, this is so frustrating. This is so frustrating. This fucking internet won't load, dude. It's so annoying. I gotta get on the phone, guys. This is so fucking annoying. Fucking internet, dude. It's so fucking bad. It's pathetic. It's fucking pathetic. Alright, I'm locking in profit on my phone right now. Hopefully my phone internet will work. Alright, done. Alright, $14,000 locked in. I've screenshotted it here on my phone, guys. Alright, I'm about to send this to our alerts members. Let's see if, I'm going to send the message on my phone. Let's see if it actually comes over here. Let's see. Out of the long. Let's go. Looking to short now. Okay. So we're out of the short. I'm about to start placing orders on my phone, guys. Look at this. I've already closed the position out, yet it's still lagging there. You know what I mean? Okay, guys. Let's go. So we need to start sending some limit orders. So I'm going to do it on my phone here. So let's look at the chart. Okay, on the computer, and I'm going to be setting these limit orders on my phone since something is wrong with the internet on the phone. Okay, so Let's go here. We're going to go on my phone right now. BTC USD. Let's get an entry right here, 40,063. 40,063. 40,063. Man, it's frustrating though. Internet's not working good. 40,063. We're going to short 9,900 contracts there. Okay, we're hitting entry 1. We're hitting entry 1. We're hitting entry 1, 39,940. I'm going to go ahead and mark it in some right now. Mark it. Shorted 10,000, around 9,000 contracts right now. So we got some. I'm going to short some more right now. I'm going to send another limit order. I'm going to short some more at 40,140. 40,140. I'm going to short some there. 40,140. I'm doing this all on the phone right now, guys. Obviously, I've already sent the alerts out in advance to all our members. It's just we had to close out the long part of the trade, right? See here, let's see here. Oh, this is looking beautiful. This is looking like what dreams are made of right here. We do need to set the stop loss. Fuck. All right, stop loss. Oh my God, this is a dream come true. Oh, you can see the position here now on the computer. Good. Okay. We're going to refresh. Oh my God, this is a dream. This is a dream. This is a dream, guys. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Okay. 40,166 as well. 40,000. 40,166. We're going to short some there as well. Okay, limit order set. We've got a position going here. Alrighty. We're looking beautiful. We're looking amazing. Let's see, 40,166. Stop loss we need to set at 40,300. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change my leverage to 40x so we can do that. I think that should allow us to set our stop loss up there. I can't do that. Okay. We need to cancel some limit orders, I think. 40,000. Let's go ahead and cancel this limit order right here. Man, the computer is fucking killing me today, man. It just doesn't want to load. It's horrible. This is horrible, dude. My internet's not working. I can't do the trade, you know? Like, this is so fucking bad. It's fucking terrible, dude. This is fucking terrible. Fucking internet load, man. Okay, on 40x leverage, I've switched to 40x leverage on the phone. We got a liquidation. Yep, at 40,365. That's perfect. That's perfect. 40,000. 40,344. Okay. As of now, we're risking $7,000. Okay, we're risking $7,000. Oh my God, this is a dream. This is a dream. It's just going to come to, do we not get stopped out, right? We just need to not get stopped out, and this will be incredible. This will be what dreams are made of, guys. Okay, so we got $13,000 available here to short, but I'm going to save it for now. Oh my God, this is what dreams are made of. See, I want to short right here, 40,000 at that fib level, right? And then look, the nervous thing, right, is there's always, you got to have some room for error because it can wick past that level, right, and then dump down. So we need to have limit orders ready up here as well. You know, we can't just be going with our entries only right now, even though it looks like it's the top right now, and I want to be in, and you know, but I got to save some of that ammo right here at 40,140. So where's our orders now? Oh my God, this is a dream, guys. This is a dream. This is amazing. We could truly be nailing the greatest short in the history of trading after nailing this dip buy, guys. This is crazy. Alrighty. We're looking really good right now. Look, you can only have so many green candles in a row. We can start to see reversal wicks forming as we're heading into resistance, bearish RSI divergence. I mean, guys, this is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. It's just going to come down to room for error, right? We're setting a tight stop loss. See, 39,999. So at 40,058, we got a limit order. Let's set another limit order, 40,140. Okay, to short some more. And guys, holy shit. We may have just nailed the greatest short in the history of trading. I know price is literally skyrocketing right now, and I'm saying we may have just nailed the greatest short in history, right? So this is what happens when you know how to read charts, is you have this supreme confidence that nobody can take away from you. The news doesn't matter, okay? The news does not matter. We just had the Federal Reserve meeting. Guess what? Do you think I'm listening to the Federal Reserve meeting to see what Jerome Powell had to say? No, I didn't hear a word he said. I still bought the dip here, wrote it up, and we're looking to short, okay? This is what happens when you learn how to read charts. You turn into a monster. You turn into a monster. Guys, the Crash Trading Charts course, it's linked down below this video. Okay, you can take it. So, wow, this is crazy. So we're looking really good, guys. All right, I'm going to keep you up to date. We've got these 2 limit orders sitting above. If those get filled, we're looking really, really, really good. Obviously, we don't want to get stopped out, though, right? Because that is what's going to protect us in case we're wrong. Because no matter how confident you are, you still need to understand, all right, what if I'm wrong? Okay, so right now we're risking about $7,000 if we're wrong. Okay, but here's the thing, we're risking $7,000 to make, okay, over $100,000 if we're right, potentially. Okay, that is why it's a fair trade. Keyword trade. This is trading, and a lot of times we forget that we're making a trade, a true trade here of value. All right, guys, let's keep it going. Let's get these limit orders filled, and let's nail the greatest short in the greatest video probably in the history of trading. No one's ever seen this before. It's never been done like this, guys. You ain't ever seen nothing like this. All right, we're down right now. We're losing a little money. It's in our plan. We're waiting for these limit orders to get filled. Let's go. Now, guys, really annoying thing about this trade right now is on this trading account, I don't think we got filled at all. And look at my internet. It's just horrible, dude. It won't even load my screen over here. Okay, I'm actually kind of cold right now. I feel like my voice sounded like sad. Well, I mean, I am a little sad, but no, I'm cold, dude. That's all it is. So anyways, you know, internet's barely loading on this computer, but anyways, we still have a limit order set up here at 40,060, 40,140, stop loss at 40,340, okay? And on this one, look at this. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Look at that limit order. It didn't get filled at 40,000. I should have set it right below 40,000. That is so sad, man. It went to 39,999.5, but not 40,000. That is so sad. That is so sad, man. You know what? I'm gonna cancel. I don't know. That's so dumb, man. That's so dumb. No, let's get it. Let's get on this. Let's get on this account too. The internet's horrible, man. The internet's horrible. Yeah. So stop loss at 40,340, guys. I mean, this is as objectively as incredible as a setup can possibly get. So you live with the results at this point. We know our risk. We're risking right now $7,000. So that's what's up. All right. Let's just get a little hamster position. I don't even know what a hamster position means, but I just came up with that. Hamster position, boys. Hamster position. All right. Just get a hamster position. Because a hamster position is still going to make you good money on a drop down at, you know, 30K if we can get down there. Or even just back down here to 37.5K, right? Which I think that's definitely what we're going to... Oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is, guys, we're gonna gap down tomorrow, and we're gonna drop for 2 or 3 days straight after this, I believe. This is amazing. Okay, limit orders are all set on this account, I believe. And they should be 40,200. I swear I set this limit order over here. Why is it not? Hello. Hopefully that limit order will be set. I mean, look, guys, our trade is set. There's no changing it right now. Except on this account. Look at the internet, guys. It's so bad. You know, you'd think I'd have good internet connection. No. Sadly, no. Sadly, no. Alright, guys, whatever. I'm fucking out. Trade set. Let's make money. Go. Alright, guys, I fucking nailed it. Alright, we just nailed the shit out of it. Alright, up 46,000 on this account right here. And we are up $30,000 on this account. So 30,000 plus 46,000. It's $76,000 in profit on the short side. Look at my Wi-Fi, guys. It's still horrible, okay? But that's $76,000 on the short side. Plus, don't forget we made $14,000 when we bought the dip yesterday, right? So you do the math. $14,000 on the long side, right, when we bought the dip, okay? And then we're up 76,000 and counting on the short side. So that's $90,000 in profit, guys, in 18 hours. It hasn't even been a full day since I actually been in this long trade and this dump. So it's crazy, guys. Absolutely amazing. We nailed it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You guys got to see the whole process, me cursing out my internet, literally how I entered, and then how I exited, and then how I actually shorted right here, right? So you saw me, I was long. I'm like, hey guys, we're gonna go up here, then we're gonna close out, then we're gonna short here, and we're gonna hold it down. Boom, guys. That was a masterpiece right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And look, guys, join the Crash Alerts Telegram channel if you're a day trader. It's the first link down below this video. Okay, first link down below this video to join the alerts, where obviously you guys saw in real time I was sending these messages out to our members. I was sending these exact entries that I was jumping into, just like I showed you guys here, And so we nailed it, and obviously I'm not the only one in this making a lot right now. We've got hundreds of members in this, and you can be as well if you're not a member already. So congrats to everyone here at Crash Trading, guys. This is why you got to know how to read charts. Please do yourself a favor. Invest your profits into the Crash Trading Charts course, because without the charts and without what I teach in that course, none of this would ever be possible. I would never be able to call these dumps and these crashes and get in these shorts if I didn't know how to read the charts. And I show you and I teach you and I walk you through it all in the Crash Trading Charts course. And it's not just any charts course. Clearly, you can see that there's a massive difference between the way I read charts and the way, your generic bullshit guy out there reads charts. There's a huge difference, and there's a reason why we're calling these tops. There's a reason why we're literally shorting the exact tops, right? And you don't see other people doing that. And there's all these analysts out there, right? These so-called analysts. So, they're not traders. They're just here to talk and act cute in front of a camera and shit. They're not actually doing this shit. They're not living this shit. They're not making money. They don't have hundreds of people counting on their calls, so there's no pressure on them to be wrong or right. They don't give a fuck. They're just there to get views and clicks, okay? But they're not about that life for real. So be about that life. Be the best if you're going to do something. And I promise you, the best way to be the best at trading is start off with Crash Trading. We nailed it. And guys, just join the alerts if you haven't already. Take the Crash Trading Charts course if you haven't already. That's over $90,000 in profit and counting. I think we got way lower to go. So, this is over easily over $100,000 trade, in my opinion. So, guys, drop a like, make sure you subscribe, join the alerts, take the course. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Big shout out to Crash's Clay. I joined like 4 days ago. Around this period when the market was like moving weird, I lost a bit of money, but it would have been way more if it wasn't for Crash's Clay. Yesterday I made like roughly 1k, like 900 something, and today look, 8,000, sorry. We catch the top perfectly. I invested a little bit heavy on this, and yeah, big shout out to him. I made my investment in the group back by like a shit ton. So yeah, and I'm learning so much just by the group alone. After this, I'm gonna buy the course for the charts. And yeah, big shout out to him again.
Hello guys, another German dude. I just want to make sure that everyone knows what Alex is doing right here. I mean, he predicted it like right perfectly, posted it in this Telegram group. I mean, if you're not in the group, what are you doing? Just, yeah. I went in, hadn't the time to analyze it myself, but just say like, fuck it, risking 800 bucks. I'm now right up 3.5k. With like nothing. I just went in, made my work, looked at the charts, and then I said like, yo, Bitcoin is fucked right now. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin 32k, it's just a matter of time now, and yeah.
Yo, I don't want to be in a video, but man, you're making me a lot, bro. Didn't go to school.
This is just a quick video to say that I've been working with Alex since the individual one-on-one coaching. Then we transitioned over into Crash Alerts. And I'm telling you, dude is awesome. Yesterday, I made about 15% in longing Bitcoin, and that was in like a 15, 20-minute period. Then we shorted Bitcoin. So far, I'm up 43%. Dude is crushing it. I suggest to anybody, join Crash Alerts. Alex is awesome. Crash Alerts is awesome. Come join us. We're kicking ass. That's it.
May the 4th at 2:30, we get an alert in Crash Alerts. Stop loss 38,586, BTC buy the dip. So we, over here, buy the dip way down here. Price goes up to 39.9, we sell the top. I made $1,300. Then we get another alert from on the Crash Alerts to short Bitcoin with some different entries. Look at this. 39,940 at 2:56, less than half an hour later. So what do? We all short up here, and price goes all the way down here, and it's still dropping. We're all making money. Thank you, Alex. You're paying my rent, my car insurance, buying me groceries, and paying for all the fun that I get to have in between trading. Crash Alerts is awesome, and I'm learning how to trade on my own thanks to you. Have a great day, everybody. Good luck.